Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is courage. Time to stand up and be counted. Be your best self. Stand strong. When fear looks you in the eye, you look it right in their eye and watch it cower and turn away and run away. Therefore, you can continue to build this foundation that you've been working on. Even on your hardest days, those are your strongest days. When you're on your weakest, that's when you're strongest. When you're not comfortable, that's in your most comfort. When you're not in control, that's when you're the most in control. When you show your boldness, that's how you can actually see and feel these results. I'm stronger than fear and bigger than any doubt. I am light and I remain light. You continue to keep your light on. You never let anyone shatter, or dim your light. You're confident in yourself, and I trust in God and stand before all tests of life, become stronger. I grow and become wiser in every challenge, and I become a new being of life. You become stronger, smarter, therefore more blessings can come your way because you'll be able to sustain them, rain, sleet, or snow. Continue to do these things, continue to be great, continue to be big in your mightiest way. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.